Hello everybody, and today we tear this LG Rumor Reflex phone down, so let's get started. So first I need to pop the back cover off. And as you can see, this LG Rumor Reflex is from Sprint. If you can focus, that is. and that's the information. So I need to take those screws apart. So let's do it right now. And these screws are all Phillips screws. So I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew it. There we go. And all the screws on the back has been popped off, has been unscrewed. So let's take this back off. Oh, oh, hold on. There's also one more screws that I need to unscrew. And there we go. This is after this cover things has been taken off. And as you can see, there's a big metal shield, some screws covering whatever this is, which I will unscrew in a little bit. This is the cameras. It's a 2 megapixel cameras. It could also record video at 320 by 240p, which is not good, but yeah, that was what available back then, so can't complain too much. A headphone jacks. A motor for vibrations, speakers, some antennas, and there is some additional antenna like on this cover thing too, and it connects up to these terminals right here. So let's take those two screws off and see what's inside. And it reveals a big connector. Oh, and this is the connector for the sliding screen. As you can see here. Oh, and the board just falls apart. And as you can see on this board, it contains a keyboard, which is backlit by those LEDs, if I can find it. It probably is hidden under here. But this is a membrane keyboard. Nothing special, to be honest. Nothing special, to be honest. It feels fine when I type on this. So yeah. And let's just take this big metal thingy off. If I could take it off, that is. Just grab my flathead screwdriver. Trying not to injure myself in the process. Or break the board. Oh, there we go. This metal cover has been taken off, and I don't care if you know these numbers, cause this phone is broken anyway. So just throw that metal thing in the trash. And as you can see on this board, we have a Qualcomm chips. It's a Qualcomm QSC 6175 chip. This is probably the main processor. And this looks like to be the flash memory. I don't know. This phone has so much integrated circuits like processor, RAM, flash. It'll integrate into one block. So I really don't know. But on here it has a sticker which says some numbers, and that it says LN272ZV701. That's probably the version number for this phone. Let's just peel the sticker off to review the parts number of this chip right here. And it's a Micron chip, judging by the logo. I don't know the name of this manufacturer, so correct me if I'm wrong. But it's a 2YA95 something JN464. As you can see, this is the main processor itself, and this is some mysterious chip. Most likely for the RF front end or something. An Avogo chip. I don't know what that chip does. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. Oh. There we go. This is the two chips, mysterious chips right here. And up here we have another Qualcomm chip. And that's, let me see, that's a PM802A chip. Just showing the camera so you can see, showing camera so you can see. If you can focus, that is. There we go. And that's the chip right here. And this is only a micro SD card slots, so nothing specials. I'm not going to take this camera motor, vibration motor, speaker unit apart to see what's on, to see if there's anything under there. And there are none. And there are none at all, except for these two connectors for the antennas, which I don't know what it is. It probably is. This is either Bluetooth or CDMA. I really don't know. And there's also a few more antennas here. And this is the back of the board. And you can see there's this chip right here. It's a BB070 something 3. Nope, 2106M3 SP070A3. There we go. That's this chip. I almost forgot to tear out the screen, so let's do that right now. So to unscrew this sliding mechanisms, I need to unscrew these 4 screws. Oh, there we go. And there is 2 hidden screws. Under the sliding mechanisms. And I think there's also two more hidden screws under these stickers, here and here. Oh, and I was right. There are hidden screws. So let's take those apart. We also did for this one. And I use my flathead screwdriver to pry apart, or just doesn't need prying, like at all. With screwdriver. Yep, there we go. Just need to snake these. And this is the screens. As you can see, there is a microphone, some passive components, connectors, some buttons for the front, the screen itself, some chips, probably for processing the screen and touch data, and an earpiece. And that's it. Thanks for watching.